Welcome, in front of me is a INFINIX Hot 9, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So starting off, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. Now this can be found in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip. So once you have it, pop out the tray, which looks to be located on the upper left side of the screen, or device I should say. And once you take it out, you have space for two SIM cards, so you can place them on either tray, and also a space for the SD card. Now when you place these cards, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and from there simply insert it back into the device while holding them firmly so they don't actually fall out. And once you insert it, there is the SIM card. So obviously SIM card is working because it requires PIN. And the phone also requires PIN. So also let's look for the SD card, which I can already see right over here. So SD card is working just as well. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.